Good morning, retail traders. This is Washboardjim. I want to talk about one of my favorite trades right now and what I'm looking into and one that I'm in. It's called NVDA. We're definitely the bullish one out there when it comes to AI. They've been wanting this number. They're going to get it. I'm going to give you my resistance levels and where I think it might pull back if it needs to have a small correction. But the chart pattern we're going to discuss is going to be the three white soldiers. Three white soldiers leading out of the gate. Three white soldiers sometimes come up and you get you a little bear flag coming in there and it could pull back to a support level. So this is the stock we're going to be looking at. We're definitely setting up for three white soldiers and we could get one more in the next coming week. But the target right now that I want to hit on NVIDIA is going to be 624.06 and 640.57 long. Now this is on a weekly time frame. If you pull up the yearly, you can see it much better. As we hit resistance levels, that's 624, and then that next target's going to be on this trend line that we're moving up, and that's right around 640. So the pullback support on this is going to be off this first candle here on the daily. And we're going to go ahead and get rid of these, cancel them, and I'm going to put a new support right down around 580. I'll set me an alert right there to catch the bottom body of this here candle. I'll be prepared for that if it does pull back and hit that bottom candle part of that body. We'll take it to the 20-day, 1 hour, see if I see anything different. Definitely like that position right there, and maybe another support level right here at 567. I mean, once it hits that target of 650, that's what they're all looking for. The fat cats, they've been calling it out for a year, for 8 months, and we finally broke the resistance level when it come time for the first of the year, which I messaged Jim Cramer. I said, we're going to hit that 650 now, and that was on the 31st of 2023. So we'll go ahead and put that support here, and I'll be set up just in case it pulls back to this yin yang. What was resistance now becomes support. Same thing right here, but we're going to see if we can catch it off that 580. So I'm long in this one to 624. I'll probably shave some off and then see if I can get 640 out of it. If not, I'm going to go ahead and take my profit. I've been in this ever since $500, and we'll just see what happens. This is NVIDIA. Now, the way I like to look at this here is if we do have these three white soldiers come up, we're going to look for that candle, that next candle, and see what it represents. If it represents a bear flag, I'm going to go ahead and definitely sell my position. It can drop back down and maybe find support off that second crow or that second soldier and bounce back up. This is a highly momentum stock. This is not just a cheapy pump and dump kind of thing. So they've been long in this and they really like this, and they'll probably start raising target prices on this once we hit that 640 area, 650. I wouldn't doubt if they throw a figure out, maybe 850 or 1,000 like they were doing last year. 1,200 was even said last year, and I'm just going, ugh. Wait until we break that 5 before you start quotating them kind of resistance levels. But it is a continuation pattern of a bull flag, and it could still keep going up, but I always like to see if it has a small correction. Look it up, three white soldiers. I'll put a little link down in the bottom of the content for you to learn how to trade these. This is one of my favorite patterns. If we sell off, we have three black crows. I'm going to watch that candle right after the crow and see if I can take it to the upside and sell it at the third soldier. So that's the way it is. Have a great day, retail traders. Washboard Jim talks about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now.